Everything is just so clear now.
You know my sister?
Yeah.
She's making a film.
Film?
Hmm.
It's pretty exciting.
It's a film about retards.
Retards. You mean like retards?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean a film on retards?
It's about retards. About why they're so sad and everybody doesn't like them. You know, that kind of stuff.
Okay. It's pretty good. I guess somebody's got to do the dirty work, no? I pretty much love the whole idea. But what'd you say this film was about?
Told you.
You said retards. That doesn't mean anything.
Okay. Retards. And psychos. You know, those kind of people, yeah? Crazy people. As if the world wasn't crazy enough.
Look, look. I think you're like totally messing this up. People are different, yeah, and they do different things, and you can't just call them names for that.
Wow. You know, you sound exactly like my sister. It's no wonder I love you.
So listen, is that really how you feel about these crazy people, yeah? Of yours?
Oh, it's different if I know them, yeah. Otherwise, I don't think I really care.
Or you don't think some people are having a tough time?
Come on, yeah. What is this excuse? I mean, life is hard. No one's having it easy.
Yeah, but you don't have people calling you names, yeah? Don't you think that makes matters worse?
I don't go around calling people names on their face.
So typical.
You know, I don't really care whether anyone's calling me names. Frankly, the last thing I want is a film asking people not to call me names. Yeah? It's so ridiculous. Why do we have to be affected by what everybody around us is doing? Think about it. Why can't everybody just have a good time on their own?
But isn't that exactly the problem? Some people are just not being left alone enough, yeah? And you know how people are like fucking harassed all the time.
All that. So what? So you go ahead and make a film. What good does that do? Yeah? It's a joke. Nobody's really solving the problem.
Yeah, but everybody does their little bit, yeah? One person can't change the world, no? It doesn't work that way, yeah?
It's just selfish.
What are you thinking?
We live a life of euphemisms, don't we?